we are going to cook today chicken rendang. These are the ingredients. This is the chicken cut pieces. We have already pan-fried it, marinated it, and then pan-fried it. Then we are going to use potatoes, already pan-fried too, so that it's extra fragrant in the rendang. This is the minced garlic, ginger, and onion paste to be cooked together with the limau perut leaves, serai lemongrass, onions, rendang paste, 2 packets of it. And if you want to be extra spicy, the rendang chicken, we use chili. This is a pounded chili. And lastly, we have the coconut milk, santan. These are all the ingredients we need besides salt, sugar, and cooking oil. Okay. Now we shall start. Put in the oil in the wok when it's already hot. Put in the lemongrass. Put in all the minced garlic, onion, and ginger paste. We saute it until it's fragrant. Add in a little bit more oil. Now we add in the rendang paste. Add in a bit of chili mix. Add in a little bit of water. Add in all the chicken pieces. Add in a bit of water all around. Add in all the potatoes. Add in the water. Put in the limau perut leaves. Add in the onions. Add in some lukewarm water because it's very thick now. Add in another round of hot water so that it can get cooked faster. Add in more water. Okay, we shall cover it now and let it cook slowly. After 20 minutes, the curry is boiling. The potatoes are all cooked, the onions are cooked, the chicken is also cooked. Now we add in the coconut milk. Add in 2 spoonfuls of sugar for taste. Add in some chicken powder for extra flavor. A little bit of soy sauce. Okay, that's enough. It's enough. The taste is just right. Okay. Now we take out the lemongrass. And the limau perut leaves. Okay, you can off the stove. Leave the light on. We're going to dish it out. This is our chicken rendang. If you like our video, please subscribe and thanks for watching.